Here's my latest project. It's a Crepe Myrtle nodule. Every year they cut the stems off. There's stems that sprout out. They go straight up and they cut them back, and this is what is left. And my neighbor gave this to me a long time ago, and it's definitely dry now. So I cut it apart, half, right down the middle. And I got this very interesting texture because of stems that grow off of it year after year. So it creates this beautiful texture and grain and little knots from the stems. Here's a close-up of the nodules. Very, very interesting. Crepe Myrtle. Here I cut a slab so you can see how beautiful it is. I got some bandsaw marks, but I'll sand all of that out. Here's the other side. But it's very interesting, lots of texture. Whoops, focus, okay. Let me know what you think I should make out of this.